extra virgin olive oil from Tuscany. Hi, I'm Sheila May, the founder and owner of Gourmet Living. Having lived in Italy, Greece, and Spain for almost 10 years, extra virgin olive oil became a welcome addition to my daily cooking. I've sampled hundreds of olive oils from around the world, mainly European. Sadly, most of the olive oil sold in the United States is deceptively labeled. Tired of poor quality olive oils, I created my own brand. Our first olive oil was a delightful EVOO from California. We followed with a traditional Tuscan blend consisting of the following olive varieties: Frantoio 50%, Moraiolo 30%, and Leccino about 20%. Olives in Tuscany are harvested for best quality and aroma between October 15th and November 20th. Our IGP-Certified Tuscan Blend will add an Italian sparkle to your salads. I even use olive oil to gently saute chicken and vegetables. If you are looking for a traditional Italian extra virgin olive oil with a European full flavor, consider Gourmet Living's exceptional EVOO from Tuscany, Italy.